The next set of filters up here are the noise filters. We have add noise, despeckle, dust and scratches, median, and reduce noise. Look at add noise first. This allows you to put in kind of a grain pattern, as you can see up there. You have a couple of options on that. We have uniform grain or a Gaussian grain. And if we zoom in here, you can see how this is kind of a multicolored effect. You can make this monochromatic if you want to. There you go. So it's just gray values. You have the multicolor or gray values. There's the uniform and there's the Gaussian. Now when you're here, you also can adjust the distribution. The higher it is, the more noise you have. The lower it is, the less noise that you have. It's frequently useful if you need to try to match a picture into an other kind of picture that may have a little bit of noise in it. You can use this to match that in. Or if you want to have that noise effect for a special effect, you can do this as well. So there's the uniform, there's the Gaussian, and there's a monochrome effect on that. Okay, going back up to the noise, despeckle. This simply goes through and looks for pixels that seem to be out of place compared to what's around them and takes those out. So it's kind of a softening filter, but it's looking for anything which really kind of stands out and does a pretty good job at that. But as you can see, we don't have any controls on that one. Okay, dust and scratches. Very similar to the previous one. Again, it's going to go in and try to remove by softening the picture up. And there it is without, and here it is with. You can see it actually, even at its lowest setting, it does quite a bit of change in here. You can adjust the threshold and try to control it a little bit on that. So there it is. You know, see, we're even actually losing a bit of our highlights in here because of this one dust and scratches filter. But sometimes, you know, that's what you have to use. Okay, noise and median. It's another blurring filter. As you can see, a lot of these filters are based on blurring your picture a little bit so that it blurs out any of those dust or scratches. As we have fewer controls on this, it's just a straight blur. And if you've got anything above the radius of 1 here, it really begins to blur out far too much. This is one of those filters again where you might want to make a selection to a specific area and apply the effect just to that selected area. Maybe you have a spot with some stuff in it, you know, some pixelated stuff or some dots or scratches. Select that out using your selection tools and then apply the filter to that area to help contain that filter. And then the reduce noise. We have more controls on this, and it's probably the best of these filters. A JPEG artifact. This is if you save your image with too high of a compression. You can get some blocking happening in the image and some weird color things happening. This will try to soften those out. Several default, or you can have default settings in if you want to. Simply make your adjustments. And then you can see how that looks. Let's just do preview and out. Actually can't see any difference on this one. Let's see if we can get this to be real obvious here. There we go. Seeing a little bit of something in the dirt down there. Very small effect. But this does a very good job at going through and trying to find any of those defects. The advanced option allows you to break this up per channel as well. So if you can localize the problem that you're working with down to a specific channel, you can come in and adjust it on a per channel basis. Okay, that's our different noise options. So the top option allows you to add noise, and the rest of these are going to be doing a blurring effect on your picture. And if you really want to get rid of noise or scratches, probably the best one to try first is that reduced noise because it has the most controls, giving you the most control over the success of the effect. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it useful. If you like this video, click on the like button below to let others know. You can click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos in the future. I'm frequently uploading new training videos. Don't forget to check out my website at howtogurus.com. You can share this video with your friends and coworkers. Just click on share and then click on the social media buttons. Feel free to comment on my videos. I try to answer all comments as quickly as I can. And finally, you can get all of my training videos on DVD at howtogurus.com. Thanks again for watching.